If your Dodge has been shifting rough, slipping, or hesitating between gears, resetting the transmission control module can often clear the problem without a trip to the shop. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to reset your Dodge TCM, from the simplest no-tool method to the most thorough. I'll also tell you what a reset can and can't fix, so you don't waste time. Let's get into it. First, let's quickly cover why this works. Your transmission control module learns how you drive and adapts its shifting over time. But when that learned data gets corrupted, or after a battery change or a minor electrical glitch, those adaptations can go bad, and that's when you feel harsh or delayed shifts. Resetting the TCM wipes that learned memory and forces it to start fresh. Now here are your 3 options. Method 1, using the accelerator pedal. This one needs no tools at all, so it's the best place to start. Park on level ground and set the parking brake. Start the engine and let it idle for a couple of minutes to warm up, then shut it off completely. Wait a few seconds. Now you need to get the car into the on position, where the dash powers up but the engine stays off. If you have a key, simply turn it forward to that on click without cranking it over. If your Dodge has push-button start, keep your foot off the brake and tap the start button twice. The first press wakes the accessories, the second brings the dash fully to life. Just remember, the moment you press the brake, the engine starts, so keep your foot away from it. Press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and hold it for about 15 seconds, then release it slowly. Turn the key off, wait a few seconds, and start the engine. This sends a signal that resets part of the module's adaptive memory. Keep your headlights and accessories off while you do this, and don't touch the brake pedal during the process. Method 2 is the battery disconnect. This is a deeper reset that clears the module more completely. Make sure the car is off and the keys are out. Open the hood and loosen the negative battery cable first, then the positive. With both cables off, leave the car to sit for about 15 minutes. This lets the stored power in the system drain out so the module fully clears. When you're ready, reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative, and tighten both. Start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes so the system can come back online. One quick note here. You don't need to touch the cable ends together like some videos suggest. Just letting the car sit does the job safely, with no risk of sparking. Method 3 is the scanner reset, and this is the most reliable of the 3. You'll need an OBD2 scanner that can access transmission data, not just a basic code reader. Plug it into the port under the dash on the driver's side, and turn to the on position without starting the engine. Go into the transmission or TCM section of the scanner, and select the option to clear codes or reset the keep alive memory. This wipes the stored trouble codes and the learned shift data in one step. Turn the key off, wait about a minute, then start up and take a gentle test drive. The big advantage here is that you can actually see if any codes come back, which tells you whether you fixed the problem or just masked it. Now, no matter which method you use, here's the part most videos skip. After a reset, your transmission has to relearn your driving style, so the first 20 to 50 miles may feel a little off, with firmer or slightly delayed shifts. That's completely normal. Drive gently and mix up your speeds, and it'll smooth out on its own. And one honest truth before you go. A TCM reset fixes shifting problems caused by bad adaptive data. It will not fix low or burnt transmission fluid, a failing solenoid, or real mechanical wear. So if your symptoms come right back after a reset, or a code returns immediately, that's your sign the issue is deeper and needs a proper diagnosis. If this helped you out, hit subscribe for more simple car fixes, and drop your Dodge model in the comments if you want me to cover a specific transmission problem next. Thanks for watching.